Hi everyone, welcome back to Japan. This time we're going to the island of Kyushu, Japan, and we're going to visit Toto. We're going to visit their most high-tech manufacturing plant in the world. They built this plant only 2 years ago, $143 million. It is over the top. I spent 3 hours there. It blew my mind.
Here, I am at the world famous Toto at the most high-tech toilet manufacturer in the world. I came on a tour and I could not believe what I saw. Come to the Japan study mission, you will see things that will blow your mind at Toto.
Now this plant is massive, almost 3 football fields long. Stunningly beautiful inside, cleaner and nicer than a hospital I've ever been in. The epoxy floors are over the top, they're everywhere and they're immaculate. We also got to see one of their morning meetings and transfer shifts from one shift to another. They did their safety meetings, they did their yosh. They didn't allow me to take a lot of videos, but you can just catch a glimpse of the factory off to the left-hand side there. When you look up above, you can see all the pipes are color-coded. Electrical is orange, yellow gas, blue water, and white air. It is so unbelievable. Look at the length of this hallway. It seems to go on forever. And this is their premier toilet, $6,000. They did it just to try to experiment with something wild. The thing is selling like crazy. Their staircases are fantastic. There's obviously an up and a down. And when you walk down it, there's also a double handrail for children, a lower one because they have a lot of school kids go on tours here. They literally didn't miss a thing. And then I went into their bathrooms. I'm at the world famous Toto, and this is amazing. A new innovation in brushing your teeth. Watch this. You go to brush your teeth, you turn the water on like this. Hit this button, it sprays out and rinses the entire sink. Is that cool? But it gets better. Watch this. They finally developed the perfect urinal. Now notice, there is nothing on the floor, no drips anywhere. And the toilet and urinal is not on the floor, so you can mop underneath it. But let me tell you why it's so great. Because you can pull in for weak manifold pressure. You can pull in close, no dripping. They finally nailed it. Love Toto. Did let me take some video of their Kaizen boards. These are all the improvements. They use this signboard. It opens up. They post all their 3S improvements, their production improvements, their safety improvements, their process improvements, and then they add improvements on the inside. They hinge open like a book. Very cool things. They also use this signboard material to build all their little compartments, trays, and separators. So throughout the facility, you saw all the tools being stored on these color signboards along with their Gemba pipe. It was really well done. They made lazy Susans out of it. They did all kinds of cool little innovations on their Kaizens. They actually make 3 Kaizens per person per month. Thousands of Kaizens being made. Really, really cool company. Amazing, super friendly. I learned so much and saw so much. Come on the Japan study mission and you will be blown away when you visit Toto.